maybe, huh?
Yeah. If I was at school right now, I would be doing a lot of homework.
Homework?
Yeah.
You got a lot of homework?
Yeah. I do not like writing. Because whatever we learn about, we have to write about it. Welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. I'm Kyleigh. Today we're going to do some pull-ups, some monkey jumps, and some rushing choice. We're going to do 10 pull-ups. Are you ready?
Let's go. 1, 2, there you go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 monkey jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over here and legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good.
Okay guys, second round, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 monkey jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job.
Remember guys, drink water during your workouts. And always stay active. And thank you for watching. And remember, don't sit, get for boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend? You have a boyfriend? Ah, so you're just bragging to your boyfriend? Are you stronger than your boyfriend? You don't know? You all race?
No, not really.
Are you the fastest one in the class? No. No? Are you the strongest? Are you strong?